today I am going to explain activity of polynomial chapter. The material are required cardboard, graph paper, ruler, pencil, eraser and pen. But in this I didn't use cardboard. I used my paper and paste my graph paper on the back side of this paper. Now the object. To draw the graph of quadratic polynomial and observe. We have to draw a graph of quadratic polynomial and we have to observe it. First thing we have to observe it, the coefficient of x square is positive and the second one, the coefficient of x square is negative. And we have also observed the shape of the curve in this situation and in this situation. And these are its number of zeros. Method of construction. First, take a cardboard of a convenient size and paste a graph paper on it. But in this, I use my paper and paste my graph paper backside of this paper. So now the second step, consider a quadratic polynomial fx is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. In this, I choose 3 random quadratic polynomial equation, and in this, I have arrived 2 cases. The first one, a is greater than 0, and the second one, a is smaller than 0. Okay, now let's go for our fourth step. Find the order pair fx for different values of x. We have to go through the different order or pair of a value of x. Now, fifth, plot these ordered pair in a certain plane. For example, we have one equation. The equation is this one, and I find the value of x, and I have these points, and we have to point these in a plane. So this point, this step 5 is saying this, and the step 6 is join the plotted point by a freehand curve. Figure point 1, figure point 2, figure point 3. As you can see, I already join it and make a graph of quadratic polynomial. Now I will explain these graphs. Okay, now first I will explain my first figure, which is this one, in which a is smaller than 0. That means it is a negative. My a is negative. For example, the coefficient of x square is negative. That's mean, and as you can see, this is my polynomial equation, and these are the x value of x and y, and I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and I make this. As you can see, I have made this parabole. Now let's discuss about my figure second. Okay, so for this figure, I have this equation in it, and I have point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this, I have plotted 6 points of x axis, and y axis. As you can see, this curve is going upward. That means this is the coefficient of x square is a. That is the meaning. When the a is greater than 0, that means the coefficient of x square is positive. Okay. Now, let's discuss about my third and last equation, which is this. hx is equals to x square plus 4. As you can see in this equation, the one is having as a coefficient of x square. That means it is also positive and it is going also out upward direction. That means this is parabolic. The coefficient of x square is positive. Thank you. Demonstration. First, the shape of a curve obtained in each case is parabole. As you can see, I already say about what is parabole. Demonstration. The shape of curve obtained in each case is parabole. This is graph, and this shape is known as parabole. This shape is known as parabole. So in each case, this shape is obtaining. This is called parabole. Okay. The second one, parabole opens upward when coefficient of x square is positive. So parabole open upward when coefficient of x square is positive. For example, see in figure point 2 and figure point 3. So this is my figure point 2. So this is opening in a up direction or in upward. So this is the coefficient of x square is positive. As you can already see, the coefficient of x square is 1 positive. And in this case also, the coefficient of x square is 1 positive. So the direction of the parabole is open in upward direction. Now it open downward when coefficient of x square is negative. So see in figure first. So this is our parabole, and it is opening in downward direction. So it is the coefficient of x square is negative. So as you can see, the coefficient of x square is here is -1. Okay. The last one, maximum number of 0 which a quadratic polynomial can have is 2. The maximum number of 0 which a quadratic polynomial can have 2. If I can make a quadratic equation in graph and I have to make parabola, so I have to make more than 2 points, then I can make this parabole. Thank you.